Hey designers, if you're like me, always hunting for design inspiration, stop scrolling dribble endlessly. Let me introduce you to Mobbin. Mobbin is a curated library of over hundreds of real-world mobile and web UI patterns, from top apps like Apple, Airbnb, Notion, you name it. Whether you're designing an onboarding flow or a sleek settings page, Mobbin gives you real UX patterns used by the best in the industry. The best part? You can search by flow, feature, or even component. No more screenshot hoarding. I'm using it regularly in my design process, and honestly, it saves hours. There's a link below to check it out. Plus, it supports the channel if you use it. Let Mobbin do the hunting, so you can focus on designing. Now let's get back to the video.